If you want to fix the battery draining problem on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the control center, and in the control center just turn off any unnecessary connections. For an example, if you are using Wi-Fi, just turn off mobile data, and if you are not using Bluetooth, just turn it off, and the same goes with all the other connections on your tablet, just like that. Now, after you turn off all the unnecessary connections, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Battery. From here, just enable Power Saving. After that, just tap on Background Usage Limits. Then enable Put Unused Apps to Sleep. By doing that, you will put any app which are not being used to sleep. After that, just tap on Sleeping Apps and tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just select the apps which you don't want to run in the background. After you do that, then tap on Add. Now after you add the apps to the Sleeping Apps section, the selected app will not run in the background and they will not consume the battery of your tablet. After you do that, then just scroll down and tap on the graph over here. Now after you do that, now just scroll down, and from here you can check which app is consuming the most battery. Now for an example, if you find an app which is consuming the most battery life, just tap on it and enable background usage limit. Select Put in Deep Sleep, and by doing that, the app which is consuming the most battery will be set to deep sleep mode. Now after you've done that, then just go to the display settings from the main settings page, just like that. Now as you can see, dark mode is already enabled because we have enabled low power mode, but if it is disabled, just turn it on from here. After that, just enable adaptive brightness. After you enable adaptive brightness, then tap on motion and smoothness and make sure you select standard. Since we have enabled low power mode, it is already on standard. Then just go back and tap on screen timeout. Now just select 30 seconds. And since we have already enabled low power mode, this is already set to 30 seconds. Now after you do that, then for the next step, just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. From here, just tap on Software Information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. After you enable developer options on your tablet, under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Developer Options. Under the Developer Options settings, you will find the option of Running Services. Just tap on it, and over here you will find what apps are running in the background. Now just scroll down, and from here just look for any app which you don't want to run in the background. For an example, I will select this app, then tap on Stop, select OK, and you will stop the selected app from running in the background. Just like that. Now after you do that, then finally just go to your home screen and open the Recent Apps section. And if there are many apps opened in the Recent Apps section, just tap on Close All and close all the apps which are opened in the background. And this is how you can fix the battery draining issue on the Galaxy Tab A9 and the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.